9 phrasal verbs for beginners. Sit down. She sits down on the chair. Stand up. She stood up at her desk. Come in, meaning to enter. Dad came in the room. Take after, meaning to resemble. Max takes after his father. Get on, meaning to have a friendly relationship. The two workers get on with each other. Tell off, meaning to speak to someone angrily because they have done something wrong. The teacher told her off for using her phone. Grow up, meaning to get older. Julie was growing up so quickly. Look after, meaning to take care of someone. Jolene looked after her grandmother. Run into, meaning to meet someone by chance. The teacher ran into a student at the cafe. Sit down, stand up, come in, take after, get on, tell off, grow up, look after, run into. Read the following sentences and work out which phrasal verbs are missing. Pause the video here until you're finished. Mum told off Jake for running in the house. Mark is very tall too. He takes after his father. The boy stood up so the lady could sit down. Pause the video here until you're finished. She wants to be an actor when she grows up. She ran into an old friend at the shops. Lindsay was asked to look after her younger brother. Subscribe for more English videos. EasyTeaching.net